Hey, it's Chad Bornova. Today I'm going to give you free access to the Ultimate Facebook Personal Profile Checklist, okay? Let me just kind of give you a little short story about why we decided to give away these different checklists. We have 20 of them, okay? We call them the best digital marketing checklists, and they're PDF files. Basically, over the past, few months, couple months, we had over 100 people actually contact us asking us different kind of questions about different marketing topics. So what we did is we compiled it all together and came up with 20 different checklists that would help you guys out in your business, okay? So we spent a ton of time and making sure that your questions were answered, okay? So like I said, today's one that I'm doing today is to get the Ultimate Facebook Personal Profile Checklist. And what I like to do always is right here, just read this little part right here so you can kind of get an idea of what you're getting today with the Ultimate Facebook Personal Profile Checklist, okay? This step-by-step guide is packed with proven strategies to help you establish credibility, engage your audience, and drive real business results. So basically what it's going to teach you is it's going to teach you how to set up your personal profile in Facebook. So you don't have to go all over the internet and figure out how to do it. So it's a checklist. So basically what you do is you start from the top and you go to the bottom. And what it will do is it will allow you to stay focused and not get distracted and allow you to get things done the right way so you can have the best engagement and, the best results with, for your business, just like it said, and drive real business results. Okay. If you want to scroll down more and see more right here, you can see the Ultimate Facebook Personal Profile Checklist, your breakthrough strategy for building a powerful personal brand. So this checklist guide is going to really help you out a lot. So just scroll down here if you want to learn more about what everything is about here. Okay. And then too, I asked people if they could do this. You don't have to, so don't feel pressured or anything like that. But since we had a lot of people, over 100, contact us with all these kind of questions, you guys have access to other people that we don't have access to. So if you could, it would mean so much to us if you would just share it on Facebook, Twitter, which is X, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, and like and share and subscribe to this YouTube channel and allow this video to get out there so it can help other people, okay? So below this video, you'll be able to click on the link to get this for 100% free, the Ultimate Facebook Personal Profile Checklist. But also there'll be another link below that you can actually get access to all 20 of them, okay? So you can just click on any one of these. You can do all 20 of them. And then you can come up here and you can click on favorites. You can come back. But what I would do is, because most people are living today in information overload, what I would do is I'd find out where you are in your business today and find out which checklist will help you today. And then once you've, get finished with that checklist, with that product that you're setting up, well, then you can actually take it and move to the next one so you stay focused. But what I'm going to do, even to make it even better, is I'm going to allow you to have access to this so you can do whatever you want with it, meaning you can download this image. Once you get the PDF file for the Ultimate Facebook Personal Profile Checklist, you could actually build your own opt-in page, and you can actually give this away to people for free to build your email list. Most people won't do that. I'm doing this for you because it's a way for us to give back. So like I said, there's 20 of them. So you could set up 20 different, squeeze pages, email opt-ins that you can use to build your email list and build a relationship with people, and help them out or sell your products and services to them. So basically what you're going to get is you're going to get kind of like a business in a box. Even though I'm not doing it for you, setting up your opt-in page, you get the ebook right here, which is the checklist guide. And then you get the PDF itself, and then you can set it up there. You can use this graphic. You can even take information from this page, and you can post it on your opt-in page, and you can grow your email list with the Ultimate Facebook Personal Profile Checklist. Also, if you have any kind of questions and stuff, you can actually scroll down here once you're on the site. You can click on Contact Us and go to our support desk. We'll answer any kind of questions you have. And then also, if you want, right below this video in this below the description, you can go to the comments area and leave any kind of comment letting us know how this has helped you, what we can do for you to help you even further. Basically just any kind of questions you have or kind of support that you need, or just telling us thanks. We would love to hear it. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video. The next video I'll be doing will be for the product. Let's see here. It will be the Ultimate Facebook Groups Checklist. Okay, so I'll see you in that next video. Thanks again for watching this video. Please like and share this video and share it on other social medias. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.